Yo, what's up guys? It's Carlos
and Jackson.
And today we're here at Rough Ridge Overlook here in Banner Elk, North Carolina. Come with us and hike.
I got a feeling these, do not eat these. These are not good for you.
Little cave right there.
Like we said, more there.
Dang.
Where did you get your haircut at?
I have a friend. He does house calls. Yeah.
Really? How much did you charge?
25. I'm telling you, man. He is an artist.
He's goated with the salt?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
His name is Omar. Look at that view. What'd you learn?
Okay, so I learned forms of lichen, full moss that you see on the rocks there. All over the rock faces. So millions of years ago, that was the only thing that could live up here. And you know, it's a natural cycle of cells growing and dying, this would form soil on the rocks and stuff, and so that way these trees and stuff could grow. But that lichen, that moss and stuff, it can withstand high winds, high temperatures, low temperatures, it can survive all these extremes. But what it can't survive is people walking on it. So when you come on these places, stay on the trail, because not only are you keeping yourself safe, you're keeping...
Right here. An example right here. What happens when you walk on vegetation.
Yeah. So do not step on the local wildlife, because you're not only endangering yourself, but the very fragile ecosystems that exist here in these small protected places.
Amen, brother. Yep, don't walk out. Look at that, we're about to get a storm. Probably in 30 minutes.
Look at that up there, Smoky Mountains.
Oh yeah. I bet you it's raining up there already.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Place to kiss.
And I'm not kissing Carlos. Sorry, buddy.
And that'll be $10 place.
This right here, buddy.
Natural stairs.
This one's actually handicap accessible though.
Oh yeah.
Don't actually bring a wheelchair up this trail. It's gonna be very difficult if you do.
Yeah, a bunch of stairs. Incline, which not too bad. Incline isn't bad as the one last time.
Want me to get a shot of you? Oh, hi there, folks. I'm up on here on what feels like the top of the world. Hey, that's where we were a little bit ago. That same group is standing right there.
Yeah, I think they're getting a tour or something. That's what it sounded like. So we just had an experience.
Yeah.
We just took pictures. I'll show you. Let me go down. Took some pics for the gram, you know. Sitting right there. Me and him are scared of heights, so.
I don't want to talk about it, folks. I don't want to talk about it.
Well, this is what we came to hike, but we're gonna check out what's up there. See if we find some cool stuff.
Yeah, I technically already came down this way, and then Carlos was like, bro, we have to get a picture on the rock, and I was like, do we really? I mean,
let me tell you, I was scared. My heart was No, I felt like I felt a little wind, and then it hit my feet, and I was like, holy
Ooh.
crap.
It's like if that gets too much stronger, I'm going off the edge.
Yeah.
That is definitely not bench of the week.
No.
Not bench of the week.
Too dangerous, too scary.
And I'm too much of a scaredy cat. You know? It's alright, bench. It's just that vegetation right there. Like you put your legs against it, bang, you got a tick climbing up.
Oh yeah.
So I rate that one 2 out of 10. Right. So guys, I know we were wanting some kind of like really cool rock or a tree stump like last time, but I'm gonna be honest, folks. Bench of the week.
Hey, it's still a wood.
Yeah.
Give you a good purchase. Some of them are kind of slick and
More deceiving.
yeah, it's very deceiving. So go up there, be careful. These are actually not handrails; they're just to keep people off those rocks over there. So be very careful.
All right, Jack, what do you think about this view?
I think it's gorgeous. But I don't want to stand it close.